Hi guys, this is Carrie. You're watching A Crone's Life, and I've got a new box. So, just wanted to do a real quick unboxing. Hopefully this won't take long, and hopefully I won't have to edit too much. I do have my granddaughter in the background who's playing with paper, I think. What do you got, babe? Okay, she's got a paper bag. So, this is a Kickstarter. I already opened it because I didn't know what it was. But, this is a Kickstarter. And I backed it because it was Ambi, and they're the ones that did the orange animal tarot, and I couldn't resist. I trusted that they would make a great product, and I am so excited to see. It is the Oracle of 11. It focuses on stories. Again, I do like stories in my tarot. And of course, I have another altar cloth. Wow, this feels different. Wow, this is like, oh, it's double. Oh, nice. This is really thick. Look, it's like double. It's two of them sewn together so that it's real thick. And on this side, I got my maiden and my crone. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. Well, I can't wait to read about all this. How pretty. Oh no. Okay. I kind of want to put it down underneath everything, but it's wrinkled and I really feel strongly about ironing my altar cloths. This would be a bookmark. Look how pretty. Everything's so pretty. I'm so glad I did this. It's so nice. Sit up. And stickers, because I can't help it. Thank you, Elena. Thank you for joining in. Artwork. Oh my goodness, this is so nice material. This is like cards. The cards, well, maybe a little thinner, but it's so smooth and so soft. Oh, I love this. Oh. It has the artist's name on the back, so everybody writes the title of it and that it's from, like, what country it's from, and then the artist. I probably should have done that from the start, but I didn't want this to be too long. So Myanmar folklore, Kevin Lang, Malaysian legend, MVN Deep, Laos folklore, Emily Latnong Vong, Cambodian folklore, Pencrow, Singapore legend, Andrew Go. Cute. Thailand mythology, Pavi. Timor Larosa's legend, Lala Burakai. That's sad. Oh, that looks so sad. Vietnamese mythology, Camilla Pham. Malaysian mythology, Ambi Sun. Laos mythology, Ambi Sun. Timor Larosa's mythology, Ambi Sun. I'm really glad she's got so many in here. Indonesian, Thai, Malaysian, and then this is the title one. This is the cover. And all the artists' Instagrams, it looks like. Yeah, Instagram. Awesome. I'm so excited. Okay. And this is the guidebook. It's a hardcover. Oh my goodness. It's a hardcover. And look at the shiny. Okay. getting my blade. Getting my blade. Don't worry, we will be super careful because I do not want to mess anything up on this. And one day I'll learn how to do chapters on YouTube. What I do is I use Filmora and then I just download it onto YouTube or upload it onto YouTube. And I haven't seen an option for, oh, look at that. I have not seen an option for chapters while I'm uploading or while I'm editing the video. So when I figure that out, I will start doing it. This is amazing. This is like a whole story. So the Moon Man. That is so nice. So at least like 2 pages, sometimes a page and a half. That looks like almost 3 pages of the story. Amazing. I'm so ready. I'm so ready to play. Golden Crow. Oh, the girl and the crow. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. Shiny holographic letters. And okay. Again, there's the holographic fun stuff. Look at the inside. All the stars are holographic. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. And here's the tiny guidebook. So I can travel with this one and leave the big one at home. What you got, girlfriend? Oh. Okay, so let me move some things out of the way. And is that close enough? Kindness and Consequences. A King's Folly. Lu Bin and Dong Yi, or Dong Li. The Irresponsible Genie. The First Rider. The Sorrow of Valaria's Wife. Path to Peace. The Crocodile and the Boy. Nai Prosop's Mistake. The Cunning Monkey. Nang Kiao. A Drink with Death. Badang's Will. Caution of the Red Hill. Turtle's Wisdom. Raiden Moss. A Denied Mother. Marcella's Tasks. A Twist of Fate. Downfall of the Danab. Kindness is Fortune. A Girl and the Crow. The Rock on the Road. The Careless Princess. Pateri Sadong. Bajang Senang. Siri Ganam. Excuse me. Puteri Wolong Sari. Fortunes of Lazy Man. The Giant's Mountain. The Indecisive Blacksmith, Child of the Woods, Naga Basuki, Basukai, Timun Mas, Cologne Orang, Sadiq Purujar, The Clever Ibis, The Wicked Queen, The Sacrifice, The Stampede, Deception of Tungal, The Golden Island. Here's a face. He's sad. Mother's Punishment. Last one, Battle of Two Roosters. I'm very happy. I'm very excited to use this. I will check in again and let you guys know how the readings go. And first things first, I will read that gigantic book over there. It's not really that gigantic, but you know, I'm going to read all the stories in there. Okay? It's going to be fun. Fast video. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great week.